how you can start your flour processing firm with less than 10,000 naira in Nigeria. How you can start your flour processing firm with less than 10,000 naira in Nigeria. If you know you have been really looking at setting up a flour processing firm, and because of this documentation it has been tiring, please start right now and start feeding your families and your friends and start building your business gradually. So number one on our list today is we'll be talking about beans flour. Okay, beans flour is highly in demand. Beans flour is proteinous, so we know the stress of having to wash beans to do moi moi, to wash beans to do akara. Sorry for those of you that don't know what is akara and pap. So many people want to do beans cake and pap for these children. So many people will rush that beans flour. So all you just need to do is just go to the market, get say maybe like 5 tiers of beans, which is less than 5,000 naira. Remove the back, wash it, dry it on the sun and make it very dry. Take it to the engine and grind it and seal it up. Show your friends, your neighbors, and ask those that want to buy around you. Let them buy, let them test, let them see, and begin to advise you. This is nice, this is not nice, and see how you can go from there. Cocoyam is another very good flour. It's really making waves in the market. You remove the back, you wash it, you dry it, then you take it to the grinding machine, grind the cocoyam and sieve it and sell it. So some people use it to make tuwo for swallow, while some people can even use it to do some rotis and mix it with some baking this thing and use it to bake. Then the next on our list is pounded yam flour. This pounded yam flour, that is what they call the pando yam. Okay, this one is a little bit different in the sense that what you do is you buy the yam from the market. As the same, you can use 3,000 or 4,000 naira. You buy the yam from the market, you wash it, you peel the yam, you cut it into tiny slices of yam, you boil it and make sure that it's partially done, not too done, so that it can dry. When it's partially done, you dry it in the sun. Let it be very dry. If you start growing, you buy the dryer, industrial dryer, which is healthy and cleaner. So you use the industrial dryer. But for now, the sun is very good. That is the natural dryer that God has given to you. So you dry it in the sun and you take it to the engine, grind it, sieve it, and you have your pando yam and give it to people around. You can even put just use like a small WhatsApp group and tell your neighbors around that you have pando yam for sale, but it's not packaged. Sell it and see, get people's feedback and see how good you are with producing that pando yam. The next on our list is plantain flour. Plantain flour is another good highly rich food, okay, especially those that are diabetic, those that are far in age, and even other family members, they can actually buy plantain flour because it's high in vitamins. So you can just go to the market, buy unripe plantain that in less than 5,000 naira. Peel the back, wash it, dry it, grind it, and turn it into a flour. Give it to family and friends and let them test and let's know if what you actually want to venture into is you are really good with that. So all this method I'm giving you is not the one you do once you want to go big. Okay, once you want to go big, most of all those things have the engine. For example, you have the boiler, you have the dryer, you have the hammer machine. All those ones are industrial machine. But for now, for where you are standing without money, how do you start? All you just need to do is go to the market on the day when the market is open. Get what is needed to produce this thing. Get a grinding machine at home and grind it. If you don't have a grinding machine, go to the commercial grinding machine and grind it. And just seal it, pack it neatly. Make sure that everything you do is very neatly. And sell it to family, neighbors, and friends. So these are some of the list of the flour that you can start. Nothing should stop you this area. I know that times are tough, but the issue is life is really what you make out of it. I don't like looking at my situation and start shouting. Right now, from where you are standing, without money, what can you do? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like our video, share it, and subscribe. Bye.